Hello office executives, I'm back again with another Excel video, and in this Excel video I'll be showing a special feature in Vlookup, that is double hyphen value which converts a number to a string. Now we can use Vlookup to find out the location of an employee based on his employment code, but the problem is something like the employment code being provided to the user would be A104. Now the dataset which I am having in my left hand side in here, it is the employment code is in number, but this character concatenated with the employment code is not being present. So what we will be doing is that we will be using VLOOKUP, and the lookup value will be a write function, that is a textual function, and this is the value, and I will be extracting 3 characters from the right hand side, and I'll be matching this value within this table array. And if the value is of the employment code is being found, I want to return his location, so it's 3 comma, the matching would be 0, that is 0, then braces close and press enter. But the problem is something like NA. And now why this error is coming? Now whenever I am using VLOOKUP, this write function, it works on textual data, but the employment code which we are having, and we are going to tally it from A1 to D7. So my bad, it won't be A1 to D7, because in VLOOKUP what it does is that whatever the lookup value is being fed into Excel, that value has to be the first column data. So this won't be A1 to D7, my bad. This would be from this section, employment code, and based on it location is in the 2. Fine. So we will still be getting an error, not available, so not applicable. But how to solve this problem? So this write function, what it is doing is that it is converting the value to a textual value, but B1 to D87, the lookup value which is being searched in the Excel data, it is in numeric format, it is in number format. So we'll be applying 2 hyphen before right hand side to convert the textual data to convert the string data to a numeric one. Let's press enter. We are having Kolani. Now we can easily apply a drop down list in here. Instead of providing a drop down list, do it on your own. 104. Now we'll be having 102. It's Tribeni, so data is matching. And before ending the video, let me show you how to give serial number to the data. So SLNO, the trick is something like equal to, if it will be checking if the name column, this column is equal to blank, it would do nothing. But if it is not is equal to blank, it would do nothing, means double inverted comma. And if it is not blank, then we will be applying a row function. Now the row function, the trick is in whichever row the formula is being written into, we need to subtract the row immediately above it. So we are in row number 2, so the immediate above it, the row number is 1, so we will be giving -1, braces close, enter. Now we will be dragging all the way across to the down, so up to 6 it is being populating. But whenever I am entering a new value, maybe Binod Hajra, automatically the serial number would get populated. So that's all for this short video tutorial, guys. Happy coding, and let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you all, guys, and happy coding.